and I'm a small animal veterinarian, and this is Toby. We see a lot of skin problems in our practice, and the most common complaint is itchiness. Now, itchiness and the pattern of itchiness can kind of give us a clue as far as what is actually causing the problem. It is important to figure out what areas itch on your dog's body the most. Typical areas we see as far as itchiness with allergy problems, particularly atopy or inhalant allergy, is itchiness on the feet, lots of foot licking, sometimes around the face, and sometimes even ear infections. Flea allergy tends to manifest itself back here in this area. If you see a pattern of baldness or even itchiness right here, think flea allergy. Now, food allergy can also be a situation where you have foot licking, and sometimes we'll actually see itchiness underneath the tail around the anal area. Scabies or mange, which is a very contagious disease and is contagious to humans as well, has its own unique pattern of distribution as well. Although we can see it present in many, many different ways, typically it presents in terms of all four legs being very, very itchy, intensely itchy, ears, and the face. And if you see that, definitely have your veterinarian do a skin scraping and they can check for scabies mange. Now, as far as the different patterns of itchiness that we've talked about inhalant allergy or atopy, food allergy, flea allergy, and scabies mange. Those are just some of the broad areas of diseases that we can see in the dog as far as itchiness. Definitely see your veterinarian and have them do various tests to try and figure out exactly what it is. But these patterns of itchiness give you a clue as to where to look first. Now, to review, we've talked about 4 basic patterns of itchiness caused by inhalant allergy or atopy, food allergy, flea allergy, and scabies mange. Inhalant allergy or atopy is caused by breathing in inhalant antigens like pollen. Just like we get hay fever from pollens, dogs get itchy skin from pollens. Food allergy is usually something they're allergic to in terms of a protein or other substance. Typically, the most common things are dairy or beef products, because that's what dogs are fed a lot of. Flea allergy, fleas can be brought into the home from other dogs, from taking a dog for a walk, and you can actually see them on the skin sometimes. Scabies is actually caused by a mite that's very small, causes intense itchiness, and humans can pick up this mite as well. So if you suspect that your dog might have scabies based on the pattern we talked about, definitely see your veterinarian right away.